Oh, Brad! Happy birthday!
Batiin mo na lang sa ano.
Many, many birthdays to come, brother. We love you.
Sanpit, happy birthday! More birthday to come! Tapos na si isang kita, Toy. Ayos!
Happy birthday, Daddy! I hope you have the best time in your 70th birthday celebration. I always thank the Lord sa inyo ni Nanay na kayo naging parents namin. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sacrifices nyo from maliit pa kami until magkaroon kami ng mga sariling family namin. Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday, Daddy. We miss you and Nanay already, and we are always praying for your health and safety.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I hope you are enjoying your day and we really hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Ingat!
Happy
Birthday, Daddy! Daddy, wish po namin para sa birthday ninyo ay good health.
And long life.
Happy birthday po ulit. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po, Daddy Orly. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Orly.
Happy birthday,
Happy to you, Daddy Oli.
Very good. We miss you.
Miso.
Pupunta kami dyan.
Puta, ibigay.
Okay.
Daddy Oli.
Okay.
Oh,
Pupunta toys.
Puta, Daddy Oli. Toys.
Okay. Very good. Sige.
Happy birthday, Daddy Oli. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ninong.
Happy birthday, Kuya Orly!
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Ninong. Ingat po.
Happy birthday ulit, Ninong. God bless. Ingat po kayo dyan, Ninang.
San Orly, happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa iyo, hari nawa, mapapabuhay mo. At sana huwag kayong magpapabaya sa sarili nyo. Lagi kayong malakas ni Nora, ha? Huwag kayong, sana maging, pag kayo umuwi rito, okay lang, ha? Sana mag-iingat kayo dyan. So, happy birthday uli!
Happy birthday, Daddy Orly. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan ni Mami Nors.
Hey Orly! Musta dyan? Happy birthday sa'yo. Kamalulungkot. Okay naman lahat dito. Mga apo mo. Andun si Edith sa school. Si Edith ang school nurse. Edith ang bahala doon. Kaya safe na safe. Lagi mag-iingat ka lagi dyan. Kaya ni Ate Nora, kamusta na lang? Sige, happy birthday ulit. And God bless.
Happy birthday, Cuz! Ingat kayo lagi dyan. And Totoy, love to see you soon. Bye!
Happy birthday, cousin! Enjoy your day! Kahit malamig dyan, alam ko, enjoy ka na dyan. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Dad!
Daddy, happy birthday. Dito kami sa Galaan eh. Dito kami sa Tagaytay. Oh.
Sayang wala kayo. Nandito kayo, kasama kayo.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Daddy, para sa'yo.
Happy birthday.
Honey.
Idol.